Please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel One Stop.
Hello everyone. So today I'll be giving a comparative review on these two hair serums. One is from Livon and the other is Mama Earth Onion Hair Serum. Now talking about Livon, it contains vitamin E. It controls frizz, ease out tangles and reduce breakage. Now I have been using Livon for past 5-6 years and it is quite good. It helps you detangle your hair with much ease, and the cost of this bottle is 250 rupees. It is 100 ml. And now talking about this Mama Earth Onion Hair Serum, it is with onion and biotin. It reduces frizz, reduces hair breakage and makes hair soft and shiny. It is also free of paraben and silicone. It is dermatologically tested and it is for all hair types. It is also cruelty free, which is really good. That is not been tested on animals, and it says it's plastic positive. That is, they recycle more plastic than they use. And talking about the cost, it is 299 for a 100 ml bottle. Now it says that since it contains organic products, the color might change with time, but it won't reduce the effectiveness of the product. So let's check how are these two products and how effective it is. So let's start. I have already washed my hair, and as you can see it's quite rough and dry. Like all those who have same issue, especially if it is genetic, you can't do much about it. All you can do is you can learn ways how to manage it and keep it strong and healthy. So that's what I do as well. And so let's check. First, this Livon, as you can see, is transparent. It is not sticky, and like it helps you detangle your hair with much ease. People who have silky hair, a few drops will work for you, but then if you have dry and frizzy hair like mine, you will need at least coin size or more than that to get that shine and to detangle it easily. I'll just show. So I'll just take coin size, as I said. Just rub it over your hand and apply. Now I'll show you this Mama Earth. It is white in color, and it's quite sticky. I bought it 4 months back and just used it for a month. I didn't like it because it's too sticky and it seems like you have applied oil in your hair. So I'll just show, see if I hope it is visible. It is quite white and sticky, and I'll just apply and show it to you. I've taken the same quantity and I'm applying it all over my hair. Done. Now I'll comb. See, it's always good that you use a wooden comb. And this is Livon. It detangles quite well. Fine. And now I comb this side. Now see, you can see it's so tough to detangle your hair when you apply this hair serum. I have seen lots of positive reviews, almost 90% positive reviews about this hair serum, that it gives shine and it is you use just a little and it's very good, but that is not the case. I think I have to use more, but the more you apply it, it's more sticky and your hair strands sticks together. still doesn't work. You have to pull your hair like anything, and you know, all your hair will come off. It doesn't work. I'll take some more. See the hair that is coming out. I hope it's visible. See the hairs. All hairs are coming out. Now you can't be applying, you know, like hair oil, but you have no other option. So it's good that it is, you know, organic and they don't use any kind of chemical or so, but applying too much is not visible, and it is not you know, budget friendly as well. So now if you tell me to rank these two hair serums, Livon I will give 5 out of 5 because it has worked really well on my hair and I've been using it for very long. As far as Mamaearth is concerned, I will give it like 1 out of 5 because as you already saw in the video, it didn't work for me, and like there are positive reviews about this product. So if you want, you can give it a try. But I think if you have dry and frizzy hair like mine, it may not work. So now it is upon you to decide. So this is all about the serums, and if you have any other query about this, please do let me know. I will definitely get back to you. And you know, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and have a nice day.